the secretly efficient gaming CPU, unpacking the Intel i7-9700. Ever felt like your computer is fighting you, slowing to a crawl the moment you need it most? That frustrating lag when you're in the zone or that endless loading bar can make any project feel impossible. If your current setup feels more like an anchor than a rocket, you're not alone. Sound familiar? Drop a struggle in the comments if this hits home. That constant battle against deadlines, the stress of a system freezing during a stream, or the burnout from waiting on renders, it drains your creativity and kills your flow. You need raw power that just works, not more complexity. But what if you could harness 8 cores of pure, focused performance without the chaos and heat of overclocking? Imagine taking back control. Meet the Intel Core i7-9700, the no-nonsense powerhouse engineered to obliterate bottlenecks. This isn't about flashy, unused features. It's about 8 dedicated physical cores turbo boosting to a blistering 4.7 GHz, delivering the single-core speed games crave and the multi-core muscle creators need. One streamer was on the verge of quitting after constant frame drops. They swapped to the i7-9700 and were stunned, now running OBS, Discord, and demanding games simultaneously, all without a stutter. The secret? Those 8 real cores efficiently divide and conquer tasks, while the intelligent Turbo Boost 2.0 technology automatically pushes performance to the limit when you need it. The smooth, responsive feel is immediate, like upgrading from a winding country road to a wide-open autobahn. And the best part? Its 65-watt TDP means it runs surprisingly cool and quiet, even under heavy loads. Keep reading, because there's a bonus trick at the end that makes installation a total breeze. The benefits are tangible: ruthless efficiency for multitasking, laser focus for gaming, and unwavering performance for your creative suite. But don't just take our word for it. A leading hardware expert called it an exceptional gaming workhorse, while a professional video editor praised its ability to slash render times, calling the value outstanding. Real users consistently report night and day differences, with one stating, "I couldn't believe how fast it changed my workflow." Thousands can't stop talking about how its robust 12 megabytes of cache and support for lightning-fast Intel Optane Memory make every operation feel instantaneous. Some wonder about the lack of hyperthreading, but the consensus is clear. For gaming and most applications, 8 high-speed physical cores are more effective, simplifying thermal management and often boosting performance per watt. The result is a buttery-smooth sensory experience, from the instant boot-ups to the seamless in-game action. So, which feature would save your day most? The relentless 4.7 GHz speed or the cool, efficient 65 watts design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't let this proven performer slip away. Stocks of this sought-after CPU won't last forever. Join the thousands of builders, gamers, and creators who have already leveled up their rigs and reclaimed their time. Why settle for frustration when you can secure effortless performance today? Click the link now to check availability and unlock your build's true potential. Transform from stuck to unstoppable. Your future self will thank you.